do some example for the better understanding. So this is the book, that is Ordinary Differential Equations by Bira and D.P. Chaudhary. So yeah, this is the exercise 1.1. For each of the following differential equation, state whether the equation is linear or non-linear. Find its order in degree. Okay, so what do have we have, as I have told, that for checking the linearity, what do? We write the differential equation in this form. In which form? Where is that? In this form. Okay, there is no power is involved at any differential coefficient and dependent variable. If there is power other than that is, what do we say, other than 0 and 1, then what do we say? The differential equation is not in this form. This means it is not linear. So see here, this is the third derivative of the y, that is dependent variable with respect to independent variable, and so its order will be 3, and its power is 1, so its degree will be 1. And what, for the linearity case, we cannot write this differential equation in that form, because the first derivative, that is dy by dx, is not a single term but it have the power 2, so we cannot write it, so it is non-linear. In this case, the, as you can see, the highest order derivative is second or 2, so its order is 2, and its power is 1, so its degree is 1. And what do we see? We can write that this differential equation in that general form. In which general form? That any of the either uh, dependent variable or its derivative is have no power other than 1 and 0. Okay, and in this case, the clearly you can tell this is dy by dx, so its or that is highest derivative, so its order is 1. And what about degree? Its power will be 1, so its degree is 1. And for the linearity case, we cannot write this differential equation in that form, because this is the dependent variable, which will create a problem because its power is 2, so it is not linear. In this case, this its highest derivative is 2, so its order is 2, and its power of the term, this term, is 1, so its degree is 1. And we can write this differential equation in that form, so it is linear. Now let us look at this clearly. Its order is 1 because the highest derivative is of the first order, and the power of the highest derivative is 3. Maximum power is 3, so its degree is 3. And so if degree is 3, so it is not linear. And here also the order is 3, and its power of the highest order derivative is 2, so its degree is 2, and so it is not linear. And in this case, the highest derivative involved is of the second order, so order is 2. And what is, I have said that the function should be algebraic function, and what, the every or each term, that is either dependent variable or the any derivative of the dependent variable, must be free from the fractional power. Here power is 3 by 2, so if we remove this from or if we free this from fractional power, so what should we do? We should square both sides. So If we square both sides, this term will be free from the fractional power and its power will be 2, so its degree is 2 and degree is 2, so it is non-linear. And here the order is what? Order is 4 and the power of that term is 1, so its degree will be 1, so degree is 1. And what do we see here? That each term or this differential equation cannot be written in that form, that is the power of the second derivative is 3, so it is non-linear. And here the order is 3, okay, and power of highest derivative term is 1, so degree is 1. And see here we cannot write this in that form, so it is not non-linear because y double dash times y dash, that is d2y by dx2 is multiple of dy by dx, so it is non-linear. And in this case what do we see? The order is 2 and the power of the highest derivative term is 1, so degree is 1. And what do we see? This is a algebraic function and free from the fractional power, so what is its is this linear or non-linear? This is, you should tell this in comment box. Here the order is 3, degree is 1 and it is linear. And in this case we should first of all, what should we do? For telling the degree, we should free each term or each dependent variable or its each derivative free from fractional power. So what do? We take a square both the sides and order is 3, so its degree will be 3 times 2 and it will be 6, and the differential equation will not be linear. So hopefully you will enjoy. Take care.